A quick reminder that these are my experiences in the art of life living with a chronic illness and nothing more. Please talk to your own doctors etc. for medical advice and decision making. And remember, everyone's experiences are different and valid. This is a judgment-free zone. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? Remind me your name, hon.
Connie Carletta Sales.
What do we have done today, Connie?
I have an appointment with Infusion Services.
You know the routine. Trying to figure out why they don't have you on this study. Let me take the other study real quick. Happy almost birthday.
Thank you.
Woo, right?
She was here yesterday, so it should be a reoccurring one.
But she said that's not the same.
Rituxan is recurring. The steroids are for 5 days.
Just want to make sure you get registered, right? Unless you want to hang out and register for a while. I don't mind.
Party.
Right? Exactly.
What is a port? It is a type of central line for ease of access when your veins are no longer great. For me, it was taking 2 and 3 nurses multiple tries to get access, and then they would blow quickly. This is a barred power port, which I believe means it can handle contrast etc. for imaging. Not sure what else. I call it my Lego in my chest, because it has 3 raised bumps that look and feel Lego-ish. I heard this on the Fry Life on YouTube and adopted it. Since it is central access, you must follow sterile procedure to prevent infections. I personally don't shower with it accessed. As you can see, hopefully, there is an inner cover and an outer cover over the port, and they put caps on the ends to keep them covered. If things stay in place and look good, this will remain until Friday. But if the bandages start coming off etc., they will de-access, sterilize the area and re-access. It doesn't hurt me when they access the port, but I don't have a lot of sensation, so there is a gift of having limited sensation. This is a nutshell of my experience with the port, and hopefully Friday I might be able to video de-accessing and letting you see the Lego-like thing in my chest.